So welcome guys. This video is about how to add clickable links to your Canva creations. All documents that you create on Canva, you can actually add links that are clickable to them. So in this video I'll show you how. If you are new to this channel, I am Amaka and welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. So let's go ahead. You can add links to text or images, anyone you choose. But in this video we'll be adding a link to a text. So I think I'll add a link to the text below. So when you select the text or the image, then the three dots appears at the top. When you click on it, then these options come up, a host of options. Among them you'll see an option for a link. So when you select the three dots, you see all these options. Then you select the link icon. Then this pop-up appears. Then you'll be prompted to type in the link. You either paste it if it's already selected, or you type it in, just like I'm doing now. After typing it in, you press enter and it is automatically added to that text. I've pressed enter. So now the text at the bottom is a clickable link. So if you notice now, there is now a line under it. That's to show you that it is a clickable link. There is a line under it, so it is now a clickable link. So guys, this is how to add clickable links to your Canva creations. I hope you have learned a few things from this video. Please don't forget to comment videos that you want to see on this channel. Also like and subscribe to help us grow. See you in the next video. Bye.